Hey traders, Todd here. Welcome to a free video update. Haven't done one in so long. I always say that. I apologize. We've been so heads down with the market and members. Got to do more on the public side. I hear you. So we'll be doing more. So we just added a position. This is going to be real quick before we head off on a break. Just add new position in Garmin. There's some interesting stuff happening on the technicals, fundamentals, and the competitive landscape with Apple. So let's jump into that. First, we'll hit the fundamentals, then we'll do rotation, then we'll do technicals, then I'll show you the position. All right, so here we go. Well, Garmin has been coming on quite a bit, and the earnings have been solid. The last report, which was February 21st, they beat estimates, reported $1.72 and expectations of $1.70 on 1.48 and top line expectations of 1.4. So good. Guidance was solid. I personally wear, a Garmin watch. I've been wearing them for years. You only have to recharge like once a week. Apple, you have to do it every night. Like, I don't know. I've just been a Garmin guy, so I'm not surprised to see this, okay? So we know what's going on with the ban, right? With the patent dispute with Apple Watch. So a patent infringement is pushing Apple to stop selling its two most recent watches, and there's a lot going on, just recently in terms of how they're trying to change the patent laws and all that. So, then you throw the antitrust stuff on top of Apple, and there's not a lot of surprise that we're seeing a flow out. And if we look at the fundamentals, on Garmin, I find that the analysts down here in purple may be off. This is estimated revisions for EPS, right? So purple line is the analyst expectations for earnings compared to where the stock is gone. You look at margins, where we're looking over the next couple of years, it's going to be flat in 2024, 23.5%, but then looking to tick up a little bit. So I wonder if the analysts are going to start to kind of shift their thought process. So if you're looking at the rotation of Apple and Garmin, here's the monthly left. And we can see that Garmin over the last, 8-10 months, Garmin has come into favor, into monthly leading, where Apple did a big reversal right here in September, October of last year. And since then is actually heading into monthly lagging. So that's not a good place to be. The weekly is no better on the rotation. Apple continues to go out in the weekly rotation, while Garmin over, in March of just really last month, this month, has begun to hook higher. And if we look at the technical chart, like Garmin is on the move. So I'm wondering if analysts are going to sort of catch up. Now let's take a look at the technical position of Garmin. Long term, I'm doing the fib class right now. We're doing a 4-week intensive fib class. I'm showing you the less than a week. Okay. So right here, this is the 786 retracement of the entire 21-22 decline. This is a huge, huge level. Okay. So we get down to the daily on Garmin. As we're testing that really big 786 retracement, wonder if, with all of the flow that we're seeing and decent volume coming in, if a move doesn't reject at the 786, because that's the retracement last resort, usually it pushes higher. So we just did a little guy right here, and the stock swing desk, which I'm happy to show you here. I don't want to show you all the positions, but I'm sure you can stop the video and see them all. Hold on. I'll show you the actual position we're in. We run a real money portfolio and laid out for our members. So entry 149, last is 149. We entered here just today. That's the stop. Above the P&L, the amount of shares, we're running $250,000 portfolio. Here's our allocation. So Garmin looking good. If we can pop above here, the 1.6 projections of 157. Stops are tight. So, we'll see. All right, just a little video. Hope that helps, guys. Have a great Easter if you celebrate. And let's look forward to a fun April, which is seasonally strong. See you guys.